Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I'll show you how to attach folder into an email. So let's begin. First, open Gmail and click on Compose to create a new email. Start by adding a recipient and entering your subject. Now to attach a file, look at the toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. Click the paperclip icon labeled Attach Files and select the folder you want from your computer. The file will then appear in your email as an attachment. If your folder is large, you can also attach it via Google Drive. Just click on the Google Drive icon next to Attach Files, select the file from your drive, and it will be added to your email. Now, with your folder attached, you can easily send your email. That's how easy you can attach files on an email. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.